Oh, it's so nice.
He's eating it.
I'm feeding it. It's so nice. Okay. Oh my god. Alright, so going to Amiens. So this is what? Voyage numéro 1. Well, it's not really numéro 1, but yeah, it's some voyage. So here's a train. Yeah, never been to Amiens. Don't know what the hell is gonna happen, but let's see. So we just enter anyway. So let's just enter there. Oh, the bathroom is so nice. Alright, so I can finally take this thing off. Alright, so where to?
Where we should go? I think we should try to find the tourism.
The tourism office. Alright, so I need some nice shots of the city. So, oh. I know, to be honest, I literally don't feel what I mean, and I recognize.
I would never use you as a standard for anything that's temperature related. Like you can walk sleeveless in 6-degree temperature.
Like Christopher Columbus.
Did you see that?
It would be unlikely. It would be unlikely. Who is this?
À deux fraises de 1849.
Ah, that looks nice. From here,
So gorgeous.
it looks nice. I need something interesting to happen today so I could video it.
I hope not too.
Not tragic, not
Yeah.
tragic. Interesting, positive, and interesting good. This is not a church, it's a castle.
It's gorgeous.
This is not a church.
We're closer now, so we can't really see the entire thing. Like the
Yeah.
view we had up there.
It's like some philosophical lesson. When something is far away, it looks beautiful. But when you get to know it, it's not. I mean, you can bend it.
But I wonder if it's
If memory serves correct, it should open at 9. Wow, everything here is just really beautiful. And all these outside cafes and all these outside bars. It's just really lovely.
really pretty, you know?
This would be nice for a walk, an evening walk.
Franchement,
I would definitely take myself on a walk here.
take yourself for a walk.
So beautiful, beautiful Amiens. Wow, it's really smiling at me. Wow. You guys see the coloring right here? The color scheme is really nice. I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. The architecture is priceless. Just look there. Wow. Here would be perfect for an evening date. If you're going out, just walk with someone, talk with someone. It's really beautiful. If you want to have your first kiss, it's right here. It's right here. I think it's really nice. Oh my god. Wow, this is nice. You see this? This is somebody
Well,
else's
what's
now.
this thing up here?
Like some
Okay, so he just stepped there, and I'm a bit afraid. Oh, what are these? Are these like a local thing? Like, you know, in Paris you have the Lock of Love bridge. I wonder if this is like one of those.
Well, this is something.
Yeah, look, there's a heart.
L'arbre and oh, no, that's it's for lovers.
L'arbre à
That's the word.
Gargouille.
Sky, okay. Okay, it's lovely. Alright, so legend has it that if you put a rose, water or some sort of flower in the water, it will find your soulmate.
I just want to say, I believe that was Romain who created that legend.
Where it's floating. Maybe I should write my number in it.
Oh my God.
these buildings are so nice. Wow. Boy, you fine. You see that? Is it? You fine. Oh.
So crispy.
Not at all. Why don't you take something sweeter? Chocolate or... Alright, sure, then we're going to go into, where are we going again?
We're looking for the garden, the
Okay,
plant
Jardin de Plant. Okay. There are lots of young people here, so it's pretty nice. It's a pretty vibrant city.
Oh, this looks interesting. What is this? Oh, this is a pub, the Charleston. I like the where it might go.
Ah, very nice. Like a nightclub?
Oh, pub.
Oh, like a bar.
Yeah.
You hang out and meet people. Okay.
I know that Romain wants to go to the club.
I mean, I wouldn't even know the first thing to do at a club. I would sit and be like,
grab a drink.
Be like, so that's what you do. If there's anything about Amiens, it is not short of little bridges with water. Plus there are a lot of bees, like a lot of bees. I don't know how I haven't been stung as it, but there's been a lot of bees. Alright, all the plants aren't as alive as they should be, I guess because we're recently coming out of winter, I suppose. So here we have some toxic plants as well, which is very interesting, you know, if you have plants, you know, not giving any ideas, hint. So lots of beautiful plants here. It's really hard to show you guys everything, but I'll try my best to just have you see the beauty of the garden, even if nothing else. Because to show you all the individual names would be a pain, you know. So that's their greenhouse. We can't go in, it's restricted. Goat.
Yeah.
Curry goat.
Hi. Hi. Ram goat.
I'm nervous. Did you take it? No?
He took it? Or maybe he doesn't like the scent. He seems to be really liking that one. Is it the same kind of plant?
Oh, wait.
Maybe he likes this. Maybe you could take this one, Romain.
Which one?
These ones. I think that's what they're trying to get. Like a big one, just in case. Okay, Romain, you're gonna be doing the deed.
Oh, it's so nice.
He's eating it.
I'm feeding it. It's so nice. Okay. Oh my God. That's like it's nice. It's nice. It's nice. Can I jump over? It's so nice. Okay, this will definitely be my starter thing. You got me feeding him? Oh no! Oh my God. Whew. This is what it feels like to have a pet.
Really?
Come on.
Hey, give the other one some.
It's finished. It's finished.
I think he wants more.
I'm gonna have no more. It's finished. Like, oh my God.
Hey. You like it, don't you?
I would touch him, but
no, I'm sure he'll bite your hand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Nice to help you. We
Ciao.
gotta go though.
Talk to you later. Alright, so hey guys, that's basically it for my vlog today of Amiens. It's a pretty lovely city, just some highlights. I really love the church. It's beautiful, it's amazing. The structure, the cathedral, the cathedral is really nice. I'll put the name somewhere in the screen. And another highlight for me was that the architecture in the entire ville, it's just impeccable, it's wonderful, it's gorgeous, it's beautiful. And the last highlight is that there are so many water spots, like where you have little bridges and so forth. So for me, that is like a great moment to hang out with someone, whether it be romantic, whether it be even with friends. There are so many cool places. So if you guys are interested in being in a cool reserve area, quiet, then I definitely suggest here. Food as well, what we had was pretty good. And before I close off, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribers yet, don't forget to hit that subscription button and tap the notification bell. Oh, you know, I just remembered some things. Alright, yes, I just remembered some things too. Another highlight was just pretty good. Alright, so I saw this little boy here and his mom was teaching him to count, and it was so sweet. It was so amazing because it reminded me of the last time when I was learning to count in French, or the first time rather. So he was like saying 60, 61, 62. Then when he said 79, I think he said 100 or something. So it was so sweet to have, it was so nice. So it reminds me that we all start from zero until we can get where we are. And the last thing I'll say is this, is very, very last thing, is that thanks to my friend Rodian, I'm trying to go out of my comfort zone. So for one of these days, hopefully in August, I'll be trying a backpacking. So if you guys are willing, I don't know who you are, if you guys are willing, maybe y'all and I could plan something. Just drop it down and I'll do that. Otherwise, I'll be going out of my comfort zone. And for this August, the theme will be just do it. Thank you. Peace out. Ciao.